Here are the roses that I ordered from C&K Jones. We have Distant Drums and Odyssey. And let's just see what they're like. Have to give them definitely props for packaging. It took an age to get into it. So let's have a look at what we have inside. Oh, that's beautiful. This is Distant Drums. As you can see, I have some buds, which is good. Nice healthy foliage. There it is. Very beautiful. Definitely been looking forward to this one. They say that you can't have too many roses, and I think I have exceeded that, but once these became available, I had to get it. I did buy another one called Odyssey, which I'll show you in a minute, but I just wanted to show you Distant Drums, and it managed to survive shipping for a couple of days because my order was meant to have come yesterday, and for some reason they changed it and never turned up when they should have done, and they turned up today instead. So that's Distant Drums, and let's open Odyssey. And here is the second one. Not as hard to open this one once you figure out how to do it. Just carefully. And we have blooms. We have blooms. Wow, look at that. It's very beautiful. This one's called Odyssey. Let's see what they say. Yeah, Odyssey. Beautiful lilac. Quite large blooms. And here we are, I've moved them outside. You can see how big Odyssey is. Very beautiful. And then here is Distant Drums. And that's the two. Very beautiful. Let's see if there's a fragrance. Oh yes, there is. I'm trying to work out what it is. Oh, very spicy, I would have said. Very spicy fragrance. And there you go. Distant Drums and Odyssey. The reason why I chose Distant Drums is because it's bred from an Austin rose called the Yeoman, and it also has the most unusual colour, being of a sort of lilac similar to Odyssey, but also like a sort of yellowy, mustardy sort of colour as well. So I will update you on any more. But before we go, I just want to show you my boredom. There used to be roses here, but they're now all in pots. But I have one rose still left there, but it's starting to go over a bit now. This is just what I call my wildlife area. And we've got some lovely honeysuckle coming through from next door there. And some linaria, which is what this is. Some Welsh poppies. And we have some get in there. Very beautiful. Some foxgloves, that's the word I was looking for. Very beautiful. These are supposed to have been once like an annual, but I planted about a year ago and they never did anything. And I'll show you clematis that have also come through from next door. So this one isn't mine, but you can see that it's completely towering through my viburnum shrub. And we have a rose here. Well, never mind the black spot because it's everywhere this year. This is Zephyrin Drouhin, very beautiful old rose. And this is clematis I have planted in my garden. It just sort of does that. Another cluster. There you go. Very beautiful. Some more linaria. Oh, I want to show you this rose. This is a wild rose. This is called Rosa Nitida, and I got it new this year. I grow it in a pot. It doesn't grow very big, but isn't that beautiful? And it has the most beautiful little leaves. And I'll show you another rose. This is Angela or Angela. They're all just starting to come out now. This is a type of geranium that sort of sells seeds. It's native to this area. And we have another rose here which is just starting to open called La Sevilliana. And I will show you a full rose tour at another date. But thank you for joining me, and I'll leave you with these foxgloves. Bye bye.